How is it going? I think nicely, isn't it? My dear students, you know, your periodic assessment exam is ahead. You are getting worried. That means how to prepare yourself. That's why sometimes you are in tension, isn't it? Don't worry. Already we have discussed present tense and its passive form, past tense and its passive form. Okay, then sentences, different kinds of sentences: declarative, negative, interrogative, WH word, and imperative sentences. As well as, in passive form, same thing was repeated, isn't it? That means you are now well acquainted with different kinds of sentences. But in the examination, you are going to face rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentences. That means here same thing. If you are watching the videos, it may be on tense or passive form, then definitely it will be very easy to you. But sometimes you are thinking that, sir, sometimes the phrases or words are becoming very long, so we are not able to do it. That means some trick is there. Trick. What is the trick? You know. You know better than me. Tricks you know. What? Now when you are framing a sentence, at that time your first motto comes to your mind that what is the subject. After subject, you have to search the which one is the appropriate verb, action word. If you are getting the subject and verb action word, definitely 60% you have covered. Then rest 40% it depends upon the setting, isn't it? But in the examination, you are getting these types of question and 3 mark or 4 marks, isn't it? It is meant for standard 3 to standard 11, not only for a single class. Everyone, standard 3 to standard 11. So while you are getting these types of question in the exam, at that time, how to do it? That means listen here, different words: lover, each, animals, passionate, he, of. Here different words are given. We will arrange them in a such a way that means we will get a correct sentence. Then what's our duty? What shall I do? What shall I take first? That means first you keep it in your mind who are the subjects or nouns. Then choose the appropriate verb. Then other things will be seen. Okay. Suppose you can take lover, animals, and he. Okay. If you take lover, lover is. Okay, lover is up to right. What is lover is? Then passionate he of, it is not right. Then come to animals. Suppose animals you are taking the verb, noun or subject. Animals is plural. No plural verb is there. Is there singular. So it is not correct. Then come to another one is left. He, subject, verb take is appropriate. He is a passionate. He is a passionate lover of animals. Did you understand me? Okay. He is a passionate lover of animals. That means, suppose he, you have to choose. That means sometimes you are thinking that lover may be a subject. You are thinking animals also subject. Sometimes you are thinking he is also a subject. But which one is correct? First you take lover. Lover is appropriate with the verb is, lover is. Then if lover is up to it is right, then you frame a sentence whether it is becoming or not. If it is not becoming, so then lover will be wrong. Then he, come animals. Animals is plural, so we require the plural verb. If here are is there, then we can think, but are is not there, so absolutely wrong. Then another one is left, he. He, after he, what will come? Verb will come, subject verb, you know, subject verb, subject plus be verb or main verb plus object or complements. He is, then use such. Or passion, he is a passionate lover of animals, you can do it. But my dear students, please remember, pen and paper tests, suppose anything goes wrong, slightly silly wrong, then it may be considered. But as you are going to appear the exam in Google form, that means multiple choice question, that means you will read all the options correctly, and out of 4 options you will get definitely 100% right answer. That means there, sometimes suppose question is given this, option is given like this, he is a passionate lover of animals. Is he a passionate lover of animals? Then he is a lover of passionate animals, or he is lover of animals, or passionate. Suppose these 4 options are given for this one. Which one will, suppose already I have told that this one is right answer, don't worry, we will analyze this. Is it a sentence or not? Is he a passionate lover of animals? It is interrogative sentence, you know. Interrogation last is question mark. Is there any question mark? In the option? No. So it is wrong. The sentence is 100% right. Sentence is right. But question mark is not here. So it is wrong. Then he is a lover of. Okay. He is a lover of passionate. Up to this, it seems that it is good. But later on, animals, it makes a problem to you. You have to understand, you have to think yourself, okay? Then he is a lover of animals, up to this, or passionate. Then read the sentence, he is a lover of animals or passionate. Do you understand anything? So something goes wrong. So that's why while you are appearing, you have to choose the correct option. You have to read, again and again read, then definitely you will get the answer. But in the pen and paper while you are writing, at that time you have to think in your mind that subject, then which is appropriate verb, then you set accordingly. I am not telling that everywhere you will be right. Sometimes a silly mistake will be done, but in options, multiple choices, you have to be very careful. Okay, number 1 is clear. Then that means he is a passionate lover of animals. Okay, then come to number 2. Number 2, read, the campaigned birds he caged free to. Now the question arises. First we will think who may be the what? Subject. Someone tell that sir, birds will be the subject. Okay, subject, well I take birds. Okay, then who may be? Then he may be. Okay, he, subject is birds or he. We are thinking which one is right, I don't know. We will analyze. Okay, then verb come. Campaigned is also verb. campaign, campaigned is also verb. Another verb is caged. Here we are getting confusion. 2 types of verbs. Then suppose birds caged. Sometimes it seems right. He or he caged. It is not right. Okay, then come to birds. Okay, he campaigned. It is also right. he campaigned. That means you can take bird caged or he campaigned. He caged, it is not right. Okay, he campaigned. That means you need the subject then the verb. He campaigned. Okay, if you take he is appropriate, what will you will think? What will you think? Suppose he campaigned. He caged, it is not, bird is caged. Okay, he campaigned to free the caged birds. Clear? Now you got the meaning. He campaigned to free the caged birds. Clear? This is the right answer. But in option what you are getting, you think. Suppose he answer in option you will get he caged to free the campaigned birds. You will get the meaning. Okay, then I told he free to campaigned the caged birds. Then again he caged. Okay, he free, he campaigned the caged to birds. That means which one is appropriate. That means always you discuss subject and verb. You always try to take you will find different kinds of subject. You may think why not be this the subject and why not be that the subject. If you are getting the subject and verb properly, then you set. If you set it properly, then you will definitely get the 99% near answer. Isn't it? So in this way you have to pen and paper. If something silly mistake goes, if anything silly mistake goes, then teacher considers. But here 4 options are there. You have to choose only the right option. Then you will get the full mark. Okay. This type of question you are facing. Okay. Number 2 is completed. Then come to number 3. What is given in number 3? Number 3 what is given? The on forests, the industry, oil depends. Now we have to search the subject. Who may be the number 1? It may be the subject. Maybe. It may be the subject forests. Then what will be another subject? The nahi, on nahi, the nahi, industry nahi. हाँ industry भी होगा. Industry भी होगा. If you take it oil industry भी होगा. You got it, oil industry. Okay, oil industry. Okay. Oil industry, then verb. If you are taking the subject forest as the subject, then it is depends. Depends means it is plural, it is singular. That means the verb, the subject is not agreed with the verb, so it won't be. Then the oil industry. Number 3, the oil industry. The oil industry. Subject you got the subject oil industry. Then what you need? Verb depends. Because it is singular number, verb is also singular present simple. The oil industry depends. Then search on the forests. Clear? If you think that question will come like that option, that means suppose question will answer options will come forests depends on the oil industry. Okay, then forest depend on the oil industry. The forests depend on the oil industry. Or another option, the oil depends on the industry forest. then depends the oil industry on the forest. Suppose there are 4 sentences. You have to choose. If you read 4 sentences, definitely you will get the answer, because you have to keep it in your mind that which one is the right subject and which one is the right appropriate verb. Okay, clear? Number 3 clear? Okay, is there any problem? In this way, if you practice at home, it will be easy. And on the spot, that means you don't know, the same question will come in the exam. You don't know. But you have to set in your mind that I will try to find out the subject, appropriate subject and appropriate verb. Then rest part will be seen. It will be done by you. Okay, then come to number 4. Number 4 is going to give one verb. You got the verb. To is not verb. Army is not verb. It may be subject. Wars may be subject. Forests may be subject. Or during, it is not verb. Cover may be subject. May be verb. Or not. Then you think, give, to, armies, wars, forests, during, or cover. If you take the armies, okay, if you are thinking that armies I will take as subject, okay, plural, then search the verb. It may be give, it may be right. Armies give, it may be right. Or armies cover, 2 verbs are there. Armies cover. If you think that armies cover, what? Then you read, then set. If you get the right answer, then it will be easy. If you are not getting, it is not easy. I think that means another one is that forests. I think forest, if forest give also right. What forest give? Think forests give kya? Our cover during armies, it is not right. I think if you take forests cover, okay, forests cover what? Then come to forests plural, cover, forests cover the forest cover, you think, or forest you can think give. If you take a cover, then you cannot able to know. Okay, forests give what? Then cover to the forest give cover to the armies during where? During wars. Okay, what is left? Our forests. See, our forests give cover. Cover means you know. That is, cover means he is covering you. That means our forests. Okay, now forests give to the army. Okay, otherwise sometimes you are getting our forests give cover to the armies during wars. Then we will set it again. Okay, if our, you will take the forests give the cover to our armies during war. It is also right. Now, how? What type of question? It is the correct answer. The forests give cover to our armies during wars. But sometimes near about answer will come. That means as like as I write our forests give cover to the armies during wars. You can say, sir, what is the difference? Here we are getting the answer, here we are getting the answer. Sir, both are right. No, it is related to this. That means when you are getting the jumbled up sentence, you are getting the related one. So, better than, if compared to this and this, you will find this one is appropriate answer related to 2. But here, someone, if you ask, sir, there is no problem. I know, there is no problem. You are getting more about 98% answers. But here you are getting the 100% answers. So, my dear students, while you are attending in Google form in multiple question, you try to read it again and again, definitely you can do it. Okay, okay. Then come to number 4. Number 5. What is number 5? Do get the forest from what we products, and at the end question mark. Question mark means I have already told you question marks are two types of. One WH word, another one is what? Yes or no question. Is it yes or no question in a WH word? How do we know? You see WH word, search the WH word. Okay, we got the WH word. Okay, first you write WH word. What? After what? You know immediately what text? Auxiliary verb or be verb. What is the auxiliary verb, helping verb? It is not, 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 it is what do. Okay, what do, then subject you will bring. Subject kya? What do forest लेंगे. What do forest? Forest भी one kind of subject, it seems, but what do we, then verb, main verb. What do we get? What do we means what products do we get from the forest, from the forests. Clear? That means why I have learnt in present tense and past tense different kinds of verb, it will be easy to solve you. And here different question will come. Number 1 option is like this. Another option will come. What do we get from the product forest? Is it right? No. Again we will get what products we do get from the forest. It is not right. What we do get. What products we do get. That means it won't be a question mark. In this way, if you do it, definitely it will help a lot. At home you try your level best. And this one, number 6, you try to do it. And if you have completed, you send the answer in comment box. This one, only this one. My sincere request, don't ask your friends, don't ask your parents. You try to do yourself. And you will know where you are facing the problems. Isn't it? So my dear students, next class we will also discuss different patterns of question what are coming in the examination. It is also rearrange the following words. And my dear students, these are not simple sentences. These are the sentences which are extracted, which have come in different examinations. So my dear students, be care, write down in your note copy and try to do yourself and match the answer and try to do this one and send this answer in your comment box. Then I will be very happy. If you like it, share a lot, and if you are a new one, then don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you. May God bless you. Do good, be good.